employers who believe that employee is the most effective resources in the organization. Everybody knows that if your employee is motivated, they will give you the best results. Many people believe that to keep the employees happy, they can reward them by higher paychecks, by giving a bonus. But how far these things will go? By gifting them cars, gifting them remuneration, a cash reward. What if I tell you there is a plan? There is a scheme of LIC known as Employer-Employee Scheme. What is this scheme and why should we know more about? Three essential reasons. First thing, when you enroll in LIC's Employer-Employee Scheme, the first and the foremost thing, you guarantee a lifelong pension for your employee. We wish, being a private organization, that we should give a pension. Simply by opting and contributing, say 10% of the employee's salary, you can ensure that when your employee retires at the age of 60, he gets at least 50% of his salary in the form of pension lifelong. So that is what we are looking for, right? Second thing, in case of any misfortunate event, you as an employer wish that you should compensate them and their families in a maximum way. But organization has limitation. Emotionally we are attached to employee. But through this scheme, even if I have enrolled by contributing 10% on through employer-employee program, I can easily hand over any employee a billion check, that is 1 CR check, to the family of the employee. Last and the most important thing, many parents and especially the families who are having child, for them, if a person has a child and if you have motivated him to enroll into that child education plan, again, in case if there is some misfortunate event, all the future expenses would be taken care by LIC through employer-employee program. This is the benefit to employees. Now, organization would believe, what is, okay, we do care about employees, but what is there for us? As an employer, whatever contribution you are making for this employees in the form of premiums, you would be eligible for income tax rebate. So there is a win-win situation. Plus, the employee will be bound to stay in the organization because his pension starts after a certain period. So let's know more about this in details. To know more, call me on this number. I would be happy to help you. Do like, subscribe and share the video to all the employers who believe that employees are the major asset. Thank you.